Guys, I'm going to show you where the Asiana flight 214 just crashed. It's over here, San Francisco. So okay guys, here is where the Asiana Airlines flight 214 crashed. San Francisco. I don't know why is San Francisco a challenging airport to land. And yeah, here's the airport that I found. I think it's this runway. This one. I think it's this runway. Yeah, I think. Because I don't know why it's a challenging airport to land. Yes, that's today's on my video, guys. I'm showing where the Asiana Airlines flight 214 crashed. Bye.